it is becoming less and less strange to see projectors that are incorporating 4K resolution, although they tend to be in medium-high ranges and not with prices lower than $1,000, as this curious end tech promises to seek funding in online platforms. The idea behind the peculiar cylindrical design is to have a portable projector that we can take wherever we need it without worrying about the weight, the battery or the cables. To do this, we opted for a modular construction with a total weight of 2.5 kilos and an internal battery with autonomy for 8 hours of use. A good part of the reduced size is due to the use of an LED lighting system that gives power to the DLP 4K set to generate the images, achieving a contrast of 50,001 with a maximum brightness of 1,500 lumens, as we see theoretically in the line of other much bigger teams. In addition, it includes a sound system of 12 watts, capacity to handle videos of up to 60 fps, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, auxiliary HDMI input, 32 GB of internal storage and USB port for direct playback of files from an external memory.